Welcome to Easy Learn and Funny Learn. In this video, we are going to learn about SOF, NSO animals. Dear kids, can we start? First one, look at the animals shown below and select the one that does not belong to the group. Option A, cow. Option B, camel. Option C, fish. Option D, horse. So they are telling us to find the one that does not belong to the group. So cow, camel and horse are terrestrial animals. But fish is an aquatic animal. So the one that does not belong to the group is fish, that is option C. Second one. The word terrestrial means A, of the earth, B, of the sky, C, of the water, D, none of these. The word terrestrial means land. So option A is the correct answer. Of the sky means aerial. Of the water means aquatic. Third one. Kangaroos and koalas have special dash on their stomach and back respectively. A, pouch, B, couch, C, box, D, stand. Kangaroos and koalas have special pouch on their stomach and back respectively. So answer is option A. Fourth one. Find the odd one out. A, dolphin, B, shark, C, whale, D, frog. So A, B, C are fish. D is an amphibian. It can live both in land or in water. But A, B, C can live only in water. So the odd one out is option D. Fifth one. Fish, gills, frog. Option A, skin. Option B, eyes. Option C, legs. Option D, ears. We know fish breathe through gills. Frog. In water, frog will breathe through moist skin. In land, frog breathe through lungs. So option is A, skin. Sixth one. Which of the following is the largest group of animals? Option A, birds. Option B, insects. Option C, reptiles. Option D, mammals. The large group of animals is insects. So option B is the correct answer. 1. Chameleon is a lizard that can change its dash according to the surrounding to protect themselves from enemies. Option A, skin. Option B, tail. C, color. D, teeth. Chameleon is a lizard that can change its color according to the surroundings to protect themselves from enemies. So the correct option is option C. Eighth one. Omnivorous animals are those which eat A, only animals, B, only plants, C, both plants and animals, D, neither plants nor animals. So omnivorous animals are those which eat both plants and animals. If the animal eat only the flesh of other animals, then it is known as carnivorous animals. If the animal eat only plant, then it is known as herbivorous animal. So omnivorous animals are those which eat both plants and animals. So option C is the correct answer. Ninth one. These animals are kept by people for their fur, feathers, milk or meat, or perhaps for transportation. They are option A, domestic or farm animals, B, pet animals, C, wild animals, D, none of these. So the animals which are kept by people for their fur, feathers, milk or meat or for transportation, then they are known as domestic or farm animals. 10th one. Which of the following animal is not kept in the zoo? A. Jackal, B. Wolf, C. Hyena, D. Dog. So the animals like jackal, wolf, hyena are usually kept in the zoo or we will find in forest. But the dog is the only animal which we kept as a pet and usually not kept in the zoo. So option D is the correct answer. 11th one. Which family of animals does a wolf belong to? A. Dog, B. Cat, C. Deer, D. Rat. So the animal wolf belongs to dog family. So option A is the correct answer. 12th one. Which of the animal is useful to us? A. Rhinoceros, B. Giraffe, C. Panther, D. Camel. So the animal which is useful to us is camel. Camel gives us milk and also we will use it for transportation in desert. It is also known as ship of the desert. So the following animal which is useful to us is camel. So option D is the correct answer. 13th one. Which of the following animals has one horn? A. Rhinoceros, B. Bison, C. Antelope, D. Cow. So the animal has one horn is rhinoceros. So option A is the correct answer. 14th one. Which animal has a pair of visible big teeth which are not meant for eating? A. Elephant, B. Crocodile, C. Nilgai, D. Tiger. So the animal which has pair of visible big teeth which is also known as tusk is elephant. 15th one. Earthworm live in soil and are generally seen crawling on the ground after A. Rain, B. Drought, C. Snowfall, D. None of these. Usually earthworms are live under the soil. So during rainy season or during rain, the rain water blocks the hole which in soil, so the earthworm won't get air to breathe. So earthworm come out of the soil for breathing. So earthworm live in soil and are generally seen crawling on the ground after rain. 16th one. What is a food chain? A. The relationship an animal has with everything around them. B. Grocery store. C. A group of bigger animals that eat smaller ones. D. None of the above. A food chain is the relationship an animal has with everything around them. So the correct option is option A. 17th one. Which of the following animals chews cud? A. Duck. B. Monkey. C. Cow. D. Snakes. Usually herbivorous animals chew cud. So the option C is the correct answer. D. Study the following chart. The arrow means is eaten by. Which of the following animals can eggs be? A. Frog. B. Eagle. C. Goat. D. Snake. The plants are eaten by eggs. In question they are telling us to find eggs. So the plants are eaten by herbivorous animals. So in the following option, goat is the herbivorous animals. So option C, goat is the correct answer. 19th one. Which of the given pair is not correctly matched? A. Milk, cow. B. Silk, silkworm. C. Honey, honeybee. D. Wool, hen. In option A, cow gives us milk, so it is correctly matched. B. Silkworm gives silk, so it is also correctly matched. C. Honey, honeybee. Honeybee gives us honey, so it is also correctly matched. But in option D, hen gives wool. Usually wool is given by some animals like goat, sheep, camel. So option D is not correctly matched, so it is the correct answer. 20th one. The animal in the given figure belongs to which category? A. Herbivore. B. Carnivore. C. Omnivore. D. Producer. The animal in the given figure is horse. Horse eats only plants. So it always belongs to herbivore category. So option A is the correct answer. 21. Which of the following animals does not give us wool? Option A, camel. Option B, sheep. Option C, snake. Option D, goat. So camel, sheep, goat gives us wool, but snake does not give us wool. So option C is the correct answer. 22. Which of the following animal feed on both plants and animals? 1. Giraffe. 2. Pig. 3. Lion. 4. Mouse. So the given options are option A 1 and 2, option B 2 and 4, C 3 and 4, D 1, 2, 4. So the animal feed on both plants and animals are also known as omnivorous. So in the given options, pig and mouse will eat both plants and animals. Giraffe will eat only plants. Lion will eat only animals. So option B is the correct answer. 23rd. Animals that have been trained to live with people are said to be A. Wild, B. Tamed, C. Carnivore, D. Omnivore. Animals that have been trained to live with people are said to be tamed. So option B is the correct answer. Thank you. Please watch my next video for birds. Thank you kids. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, share and to click bell icon for more videos. Thank you. Bye. Take care.